Have you ever felt stuck? Or are you facing any kind of a burnout? What is a burnout, you ask? Wait, let me help you out. What is a burnout? According to Google, a burnout is a state of physical or emotional exhaustion that also involves a sense of reduced accomplishment and loss of personal identity. I guess ये थोड़ा बहुत ज़्यादा deep हो गया. Wait a second. A content creation burnout. Well, I guess this would make more sense. When it gets difficult than usual to create your content, whether you're a writer, designer, or a video creator. This guy. That can be a sign of content creation burnout. Just like any other job related burnout, content creation burnout can also affect your productivity and performance. Now that made more sense. And where was that evident? Wait a second, दिखाता हूँ. Yes, content creation burnout is very much true. You just feel stuck and you feel like not doing anything. For many people out there, content creation is a simple job, but I would rather disagree with them. As content creation is not at all simple. You have to, one, be ready to face the camera. Second, after you're ready, you have to start scripting your content. After that, you have to start shooting the content with yourself or with a friend who is free. Then you have to have the right tools to do all of this. After that is done, you have to start editing, which doesn't look that easy at first. So you have to learn that as well. After that, you have to post it. और वहाँ पे ख़त्म नहीं होता बात. You also have to deal with some hate which comes along free with content creation. But us as content creators are used to it. But ये सब बातें छोड़ दो. This is not going to be a video where I cry about that. This is a video where I'll talk about content creation. And why content creation? Because I love doing it. Well, you make content जब आपको किसी को कुछ एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करना रहता है या फिर कुछ नई चीज़ दिखानी रहती है या फिर एक मेमोरी अपने यादों के लिए रखनी है. बट एट द सेम टाइम आप जो कुछ भी काम करते हो लाइफ में, you need to have some kind of motivation or inspiration to do so. इंस्पिरेशन तो है थोड़े बहुत, बट मोटिवेशन थोड़ा हिलता है क्योंकि as humans motivation depends on a few factors such as success, fame, numbers or money. एंड ये जो मैं स्टक था या फिर अनमोटिवेटेड था या रादर एक बर्नआउट फेज में था, आई डिड नॉट जस्ट वांटेड टू क्रिएट कंटेंट फॉर द सेक ऑफ क्रिएटिंग कंटेंट, बिकॉज आई वैल्यू योर टाइम एंड आई वांट टू शो समथिंग नाइस टू you all, in which I share some experiences or rather something informational. So that's why I took a small break and I studied a lot about content creation and how to go about it and how to deliver proper content, good content for you guys. At the same time, I was working on one more thing, my e-commerce website called shanteria.com, and it's live now. You all can check it out. It's in the description of this video and also in the comment section below. More about it I will definitely share with you all in my coming videos. Abhi ke liye I don't want to make more promotions because I had taken 1 month off from YouTube, but 1 month off zarur tha main, but I think you all have already seen it. I've been starting uploading shorts recently and they have been doing quite well. तो अभी आते हैं वो फर्स्ट लाइन पे जो मैंने वीडियो स्टार्ट करने पे बोली थी. आर यू फीलिंग स्टक और आर यू फेसिंग एनी काइंड ऑफ अ बर्नआउट? एज यू सॉ, आई डिड एंड आई टुक अ स्मॉल ब्रेक. I reevaluated the situation, worked on something new and came back with a bang. And I'm sure you guys can do it as well. Since I took 1 month off, I have changed the schedule a little bit. Instead of 1 video per week, which I used to upload on Sundays at 1 p.m, now I'll be uploading on Wednesdays and Sundays at 3 p.m. तो मिलते हैं वेडनेसडे को 3 PM इसी चैनल पे इसी फेस के साथ. So I'll see you on Wednesday at 3 PM. If you haven't subscribed already, do so, hit the bell icon. You know what to do now. See you in the next video. Take care, peace out, and as always, be limitless.
Bonus.
अभी पैसे की बात कर ही लिए तो some of you would be like ये तो वीडियोस बनाते बस पैसे के लिए और फेम के लिए. Dude, I've been uploading videos on YouTube for the past 2 years, I guess, and YouTube has not paid me even one paisa for any video. So it's not always about the money. Sometimes creative brain just stops working and it needs a break. Any kind of a creator listening to me right now, I mean, not just a content creator for YouTube or anything, any kind of a artist, singer, dancer, painter, anyone, you would relate with me. Let me know in the comments.